Good morning and Jai Hind, everyone. Here today we are discussing about the exercise related to 3.7, which is from chapter Playing with Number. Dear students, as you all know, this exercise is based on word problems. Now, word problems in the sense that you are talking about SCF and LCM related to word problems. Okay. Now, you must be thinking that if SCF and LCM both are included in word problem, then how we will identify that which word problem belongs to finding SCF and which word problem belongs to finding LCM. Okay. So before I begin this, let me tell you first that what do you know by the word HCF and what do you know by the word LCM? Okay. Now SCF means highest common factor. Okay. Now highest word represent means सबसे बड़ा, ठीक है, largest, greatest, okay, maximum. So the words which are related to highest are like maximum, biggest, highest, so already written it is, then greatest, largest, longest. These all the words are somehow connected to the word highest. Okay, highest मतलब सबसे बड़ा मतलब superior. So whatever we are talking about in the superior, that will be going to highest. Now another word going to be factor. Common factor. Now you must be know factor means अलग अलग. हम जब बात करते हैं किसी भी चीज को ब्रेक करने की, अलग अलग करने की, ठीक है, that means we are talking about factor मतलब break करना. So there are two concepts: maximum, biggest, greatest, largest, and longest. These words are representing somewhere SCF. And another thing is factor means जहां पर breaking भी हो रही हो, जहां पर हम अलग अलग चीजों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. Now let's talk about LCM. LCM means होता है बेटा least common multiple. Okay. Now least. The word means सबसे कम, सबसे छोटा. So least means lowest, smallest, minimum, shortest. These all the words are somewhere connected to the word least, or we can call it also synonyms of least. Okay. So remember always the words which are like this, if it is coming in any kind of word problem, that means सबसे पहले आपके मन में ये चीज आनी चाहिए कि somehow it is connected to LCM. And second thing is multiple. Multiple का मतलब होता है बेटा जब हम कोई चीज एक साथ लेकर के चलते हैं, ठीक है, एक साथ लेकर के चलते हैं, जिसको जो एक साथ कंबाइन करते हैं. आपने देखा होगा जब हमने एलसीएम निकालने की प्रोसेस सीखी थी, तो एलसीएम में हमने सारे नंबर्स को एक ही साथ डिवीजन में सॉल्व किया था, ठीक है, एक साथ फैक्टराइजेशन में सॉल्व किया था. दैट वाज द प्रोसेस ऑफ एलसीएम. बट जब हम एचसीएफ करते हैं देन वी ट्राई टू डू इट अलोंग, मतलब अकेले अकेले, अलग अलग, ठीक है, वी आर सेपरेटिंग एवरीथिंग and then we take out at the last the common. So remember somehow this concept you have to relate from the word problem. If you get any kind of word problem which is related to SCF and LCM, सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, उस word problem को you have to read thoroughly. ठीक है, आपको उस word problem को पहले समझना है कि उस word problem में पूछ क्या रहा है, ठीक है. उसके बाद you have to connect these words. Are you finding those words? If you are finding those words, it means they are somehow related to these processes. Okay, now let us begin the word problems, then you will understand how we are going to do it. Now let us begin with exercise 3.7, which is related to word problems. So let me read the question number 1 from exercise 3.7. The first question says, Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizers of which 75 kg and 69 kg. You have to find the maximum value of weight. You have to find maximum value of weight which can measure of the which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. ठीक है, exact number of times का मतलब यहाँ हो रहा है जो exact उनको divide कर सकता होगा ना, exact number of times. And here it is telling about you have to find out the maximum value. So maximum, you are knowing we are talking about here HCF. The first word problem is there to find out HCF. Now HCF के लिए बेटा क्या? HCF we are having two numbers here. First number is 75 and another number is 69. So if you have to find out HCF over here, you are knowing you can simply take it HCF for 75 here and 69 here separately. Okay, here it will go by 3, which will give you here 25. Now it will go by 5, which will give you here 5, and then again it will go by 5, which will give you here 1. So 75 will be there as 3 into 5 into 5. Now let us begin with the second number, that is 69. It will also go by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. And then it will go by 23 again. Okay, so this because 23 is a prime number and which will give you here 69 is equals to 3 into 23. Now you can see here by understanding it is easily visible that you have the number 3. It means HCF is 3 in this question. Okay, and the question was asking that find the weight, which is the maximum value of the weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. So remember the weight was given in the form of kg here, not in grams. So your answer would be 3 kg. Okay, so this is exercise 3.7, question number 1. Okay, I hope you have understood this question. Let us move further for this one. Now, because second question it is telling us that 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the maximum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete step? This is one question. It suppose maximum की जगह पर बेटा अगर minimum आता तो भी हम प्रोसेस वही उसी टाइप की रहती, बट यहाँ पर एचसीएफ की जगह आप एलसीएम करते. यहाँ पर अगर मैक्सिमम आया है तो आप एचसीएफ करेंगे. ठीक है, सो डिपेंड अपॉन द क्वेश्चन हाउ यू वांट टू डू. सो रिमेंबर in question number 2 you have to simply find out LCM if it is written here minimum. So here we are talking about it is asking for minimum distance. In question number 2 it is asking for minimum distance. Okay, so minimum distance, what is the measurement coming here? 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and also 77 centimeter. So let us find out what is the minimum step which they can do it together. Okay, so let us have the LCM because minimum word is coming here. So LCM means least. So this is 63, this is 70 and this is 77. Let us begin with 2. 63 will not go, 70 means 35, 77 will remain over here only. Now for the next number you can see here, you can simply take it 7. So if you will take 7, 7 9s are 63, 7 5s are 35 and 7 11s are here. Now this is directly 9, so you can also take it directly 9 if you want, or also you can go with 3. So this is 3 3s are 5 and 11 will be common, then again 3, then 5 and 11 you have to be there with this. And the last number is 11. So let us multiply what is coming here. 2 into 7 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 11. Okay, these all we have taken now. And when you will multiply this, you will get after multiplication 6,930 centimeter. Okay, so the first concept we have taken as of minimum distance, and as it was given minimum distance, so that means you are talking about LCM. And if you are talking about LCM, after taking out LCM, we have solved it further and we are taking out the value as altogether. So 6,930 centimeter will be the answer for this particular question. I hope you got that. Okay, so now let's move on to question number 3. It is telling the length, breadth, and the height of a room are 825, 675 centimeter, and 450 centimeter respectively. Find the longest tape. Now listen students, it is asking find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. So here the word longest, I hope you are clear with it. Now what we will find out? Yes, right, we will find out HCF. So let us find out HCF of these 3 numbers in question number 3. So here we have 825. The next number we have is 675. And the third number we have is 450. So let us find out HCF in this case because here it is asking longest tape. So now we are dividing it. We are using the prime factorization method for it. Everybody knows 5, 5 and your 0. It means it can be divided by 5 directly here. So it will be 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, and 5 5s are 25. Again telling you 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25. Now again it will go by 5 only. 5 3s are 15 and 5 3s are 15 again. Now again it can go by 3 now, which will give us 11, and 11 again, which will give us 1. Okay. Now let us move on to the next number, that is we have 675, which will go by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, then we will have 2 will be left, then 5 5s are 25. Once again, 5 ones are 5, we will have 1 left, 5 3s are 15, 2 will be there, 5 5s are 25. Now let's have again with 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. Now again, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. It's completed now. Let's move on to the 450, which will go by 2 here, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 again, and 2 5s are 10. Again, it will go by, let's be having 3 because here it will go by 3 also. 3 7s are 21. By the divisibility rule of 3, 5 to 7, 7 to 9. So it means it will go by 3. So 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. Now again we will have it 3 again, which will give you 3 2s are 6, and your 3 5s are 15. Now by 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5. It means now we have completed the prime factorization method in all 3 numbers. Now let us see what are common. Now I am writing directly what is common over here. So the SCF will be 5, 5, and here also 5. So the first number is 5 over here. The second number is 5, 5 again, and 5 again. So here also 5. Now let's see, 3 is here, 3 is here, and 3 is also here. So next number is 3. Now next number is 11. But here we have 11, but here we don't have 11. And here also we don't have 11. So it means only this will be common. So 5 5s are 25, and 25 3s are 75. So 75 centimeters. So the answer is the longest tape which was asked in the question. The longest tape is 75 centimeter. This is the complete solution for question number 3 here. I hope you have understood. Now let us move on. Question number 4, which is telling us here that find the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8, and 12. Okay, we have to find out here the smallest 3-digit number. Now you must be knowing here again it is telling smallest 3-digit number, and beta the main concept it is telling here which is exactly divisible by 6, 8, and 12. ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जो इन तीनों नंबर से डिविजिबल होगा? तो बेटा रिमेंबर इस दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन सपोज ये लिख करके आता है कि ऐसा कौन सा सबसे छोटा नंबर है या ऐसा कौन सा सबसे बड़ा नंबर है जो कि दिए हुए 3 नंबर से या दिए हुए 4 नंबर से एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल हो. So remember, in that case, we will always use the process of LCM. Okay? So question number 4 may we have the number 6, 8 and 12. Here it is telling you have to find out the largest number of 3 digit which will divide, which will divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So first of all, we'll take out the LCM of this. It will give you 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 6 are. Again by this, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, and this will be again. Again by 2, which will give you here 1, it will give you 3 3. So the next number will be 1 1 and 1. So the LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, which will give us 24. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 3s are 24. Okay, so 24 is the LCM. Now remember, beta, it is telling the largest number of 3 digit. Sorry, the smallest number of 3 digit. Question में पूछा गया है smallest number of 3 digit. So what we will do? You are knowing what is the smallest number of 3 digit, dear students? Smallest number of 3 digit. Every one of us knows that it is 100. 100 is a number which is smallest of 3 digit. Now it is telling it should be divided. Now what is the role of 24? Now what is the role of 24? You all are knowing this is the number beta 100. Okay, this is the number which is 100 given over here. Okay, so beta, if you will see this one, you will simply divide by 100 by 24. ठीक है, आप simply divide करके देखोगे 24 से, because ये बोल रहा है कि जो ये number आया है वो इस number से completely divisible होना चाहिए. So आपने लिया 100, 24 4s are 96. When you will solve it, you will have the remainder as 4. ठीक है, मतलब यहाँ पर ये वाला जो नंबर है वो इससे डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है. और क्या बच रहा है बेटा? 4 बच रहा है. ठीक है, तो ये 4 बचा तो क्या करेंगे हम? 24 में से पहले इस 4 को हटा देंगे, because this is extra. So 24 में से हमने 4 हटाया. Now we have 20. Now we have 20. So now what we will do? We will simply have the number like 100 plus this is there, which is 20. So remember, the answer for this question will be 120. Okay, which will be 120. So the correct answer will be 120 is the smallest digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Okay, let me explain it to you once again. सबसे पहले हमने LCM निकाला. LCM निकालने के बाद it was asking smallest number of 3 digit which is divisible. So smallest number of 3 digit क्या होता है बेटा? 100 होता है. फिर उसके बाद it is telling it should be divisible by all 3 numbers. So all 3 numbers को जब हमने combine किया था हमें क्या मिल रहा था? 24. So we have tried कि क्या 24 100 को divide कर पा रहा है या नहीं कर पा रहा है. So उसके लिए हमने क्या किया? We have divided and we have checked that it is not dividing that number completely. Remainder is coming, and what is coming as a remainder? 4. So सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया? इस 24 में से 4 को ही हटा दिया. Now we have 20. So now the number will be 100 and this 20. So answer will be 120. Okay. Now let's move on the question number next one, that is determine the largest. Now this time smallest की जगह पर क्या है बेटा? यहाँ पर largest number है. So question थोड़ा सा अलग प्रोसेस का जाएगा, थोड़ा सा अलग. ठीक है, but it is telling here it should be exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So ये 8, 10 and 12 वाला concept same है बेटा, ये वाला concept same. We will take simply the process of LCM. 4s are, 5s are, 6s are. Again here 2 2s are and here 5 will remain same and 3s are. Again we'll go by 2. This is 5. This is 3. Again we'll go by 3 and this is 5. So this is, now we have done this. Now let us see what is the LCM coming. So LCM of this one is coming 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 is 24, 24 5s are 120. So this is our LCM, that is coming here 120. Now previous question में क्या आया था बेटा? Smallest number of 3 digit. इस बार क्या है यहाँ पर आपके पास? Largest number of 3 digit. वही same process करेंगे. Largest number of 3 digit. What is there? Everybody knows it's 999. हमने ले लिया 999. Same process again. This we will divide by, so this you will get it 999 and we will divide this number by 120. Let us see it is dividing or not. 128 is 960. Now 9 is left, 3 is left and this is cancelled. Now we have the remainder as 39. Okay? So simply what we'll do, this is 999 minus 39. So the number is coming 969. This is our answer. 969 is the largest three-digit number which will be completely divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Okay? Now let's move on question number 6. Question number 6 is telling you, beta, it is just little different from like this. Question number 6 में क्या बोल रहा है पहले देखते हैं. Question number 6 is telling here that the traffic lights at 3 different places, 3 different roads crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., at what time they will change again together, okay? So it is telling here the traffic light at 3 different crossing roads change after every 48 seconds, 72 सेकेंड एंड 108 सेकेंड. मतलब पहली वाली 48 सेकेंड में चेंज होती है, दूसरी वाली 72 में होती है, तीसरी वाली 108 में होती है. सो इट इज आस्किंग 7 AM पे अगर वो एक साथ चेंज हुए हैं सो दोबारा वो कौन से टाइमिंग पे दोबारा चेंज होंगे बेटा साथ में. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पर फिर से बात हो रही है साथ में. ठीक है, साथ में, तो इट मींस साथ में जब भी बात की जाएगी वी विल हैव ऑलवेज LCM. So question number 6 may we have the numbers 48 seconds, so 48 we will take, 72 will take 72 and the next number is 108, so we will take it 108. Now let's have LCM here. It will give you 24, it will give you 36, this will give you 54. Again by 2 it will give you 12, this will give you 18, this will give you 27. Again by 2 it will give you 6, it will give you 9, 27 will remain like this. Again by 2 it will give you 3, it will give you 9, 27 is same only. Now you can see every number is divisible by 3. So here 3 ones are, 3 threes are and 3 nines are. Again by 3, 1, 1 and 3 and the last again 1, 1 and 1. So let's see what is the LCM coming. LCM of these all three numbers, let us see, because all are in seconds. Remember every number which is given or the timing is given in the form of seconds beta. So this is 2 into 2 into 2. See, 4 times 2 and 3 times 3. So this is there. Now this is LCM. This is LCM. Now let us see. 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 16 3 are 48. And then 48 multiplied by 9, 48 multiplied by 9, it will give you here 432 seconds. Now why seconds beta? Because this all the values were given in the form of seconds only, because we are talking about here timings. ठीक है, timings is given in seconds. Now it is telling कि 432 सेकंड के बाद जो है वो लाइट आपकी चेंज होती है. ठीक है, now let us see 432 सेकंड्स का मतलब होता कितना है. ठीक है, होता कितना का मतलब यहाँ पर क्या पूछ रहा है आपसे, सेकंड्स में लिखोगे आप इतना सारा सेकंड्स 432, तो इट इज नॉट करेक्ट बिकॉज़ इट इज आस्किंग द टाइमिंग. सो वी कैन नॉट स्पीक 432 सेकंड के बाद दोबारा चेंज होगा, है ना. हमें इसको टाइमिंग में कन्वर्ट करना चाहिए. तो बेटा ये सेकंड्स में है, अगर आपको मिनट में कन्वर्ट करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे इसको, वी विल डिवाइड इट बाय 60. व्हाई वी आर डिवाइडिंग बाय 60 बेटा? बिकॉज़ 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Okay, so now let us see. So when you will divide it, it will give you 60 into 7, which will give you here 420. So this is done. It will give you 12. It will give you 12. Now देखो यहाँ पे क्या आया, 7 minutes and still some seconds are left. It means 7 minutes and 12 seconds. ये हो गया आपका कन्वर्जन बेटा. नाउ लुक एट हियर, It was telling कि 7 AM पे change हुआ था, ठीक है। अब दोबारा कब होगा बेटा? दोबारा होगा 7 बज के या 7 o'clock, जब 7 minute 12 seconds के और बाद, मतलब after 7 it will be after now. After 7 minute 12 seconds, the lights will change again together. Okay, so you can write it down in this way: 7 hours, 7 minutes, 12 seconds. So this will be the timing over here, AM. ठीक है, देखो 7 तो टाइमिंग हमारे पास पहले से था, 12 हो गया, तो now this is hour, this is minute and this is second. So after this timing it will change. So 7 hour, 7 minute and 12 seconds. So this was question number 6. Okay, now let us move on question number 7 beta. Question number 7 is telling here 3 tankers contain 403 liters and 465 liters of diesel. Find the maximum capacity. Now listen the word maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of 3 containers exact number of times. Exact number of times beta. Okay, so let us come to this question. Okay, so now we were discussing about question number 7. It was telling 3 tankers contain 403 liters, 465 liters of diesel respectively. Find the maximum capacity. Maximum means beta again here we are talking about SCF. Now SCF of 2 tankers given, 403 liters and another one is 465 liters. Okay, so what we are trying to do, let us have the SCF of both. Okay, so beta first of all we will take 403 this side, we will take this side 465. So let us find out SCF of both the numbers. First of all, let us try for 403. Oh sorry, I hope we have 3 numbers here. No, 434 is also there. Sorry, I missed it. 434 liter is also there. So here we have another number, that is 434. Sorry, I forgot that. Okay. Now let us come to 403 first. Beta, this is the number which will not be divided by not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6. It will directly go by 13 because this number is a complicated number here. Now you must be thinking, तो मैम को कैसे पता चलेगा कि 13 से डिवाइड हो रहा है? बेटा रिमेंबर आपको एक एक करके डिवाइड करते चलना है, बिकॉज पहली बात तो 2 से नहीं डिवाइड होगा, आपको सारे डिविजिबिलिटी रूल 11 तक के पता है. सो यू विल कीप ऑन ट्राइंग. 11 के बाद डिवाइड नहीं होगा, 12 के बाद डिवाइड नहीं होगा, फिर वी विल ट्राई फॉर 13 नंबर बिकॉज इट इज अ ऑड नंबर. नो, सो 12 से तो डिवाइड होगा नहीं, सो यू विल डायरेक्टली गो विद 13 now. So here remember this, it will give you 13, 13 3s are 39. ठीक है, 13 3s are 39 and then 13 1s are 30. So this is 31. Now 31 is again a prime number, so it will directly go by 13. 31. So it will give you 1. So first number is 13 and second number is 31. Now 465. This is the number which is having 5 in its unit place. So let us try with either 3 or 5. Let us first check 3. 6 and 5 11, 11 and 4 15. मतलब ये 3 से divide होगा. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15 and 3 5s are 15 again. Now let us check it. 5 5 10, 10 1 11. मतलब अब ये 3 से divide नहीं होगा. अब ये divide होगा बेटा 5 से because we have 5 in its unit place. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Now again 31 and 31 is a prime number, so we will get it 1 over here. We will divide it by 31 directly. Now let's move on to the next number. This is 434. Now you are knowing it's a number which is even, so it will go by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 7s are 14. Okay, 217. Now let us try with 7 directly. 7 3s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Okay, now let's move on again by 31. It's now 1. Now you can see here, it is easily visible that 31 is here, 31 is here and 31 is here. Now no other number is common except 31. So it means HCF of this particular question is 31. So the answer of this particular question will be 31 liters because question में क्या बोला था बेटा? There are 3 tankers of this much measurement. 403 liter, 465 liter and 434 liter. So answer will also be coming in liters only. So 31 liters of container is required to measure the quantity of all the 3 tankers. Okay, this was about question number 7. Now let us move on to question number 8. Question number 8 says, find the least number. Now listen again. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leaves the remainder 5 in each case. ठीक है, हर बार 5 रिमाइंडर बच जाता है. तो बेटा यहाँ पर 5 रिमाइंडर वाला अगर हम क्वेश्चन छोड़ दें, ये लाइन अगर हम हटा दें, तो ये क्वेश्चन अगर हम रिमाइंडर वाली लाइन को हटाते हैं तो जो बचा हुआ क्वेश्चन है वैसा सेम क्वेश्चन हमने किया है. ठीक है, सो रिमाइंडर वाली प्रोसेस आई विल टेल यू, बट लेट अस डू द फर्स्ट प्रोसीजर जो कि हम ऑलरेडी से कर चुके हैं. बिकॉज कभी भी स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर या ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर आपसे पूछा जाता है और it is asking कि it will divide by these 2 numbers together or these 3 numbers by exactly divisible. So we will have the process of LCM. So सबसे पहले we will take out the LCM of the number which is divided by that number. So here we have the numbers like 6, 15 and 18. 6, 15 and 18 in question number 8. Okay. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में यहाँ पर बोल रहा है आपके पास कि ऐसा कौन सा सबसे छोटा नंबर है जिसको हम 6, 15 और 18 तीनों से अगर हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो 5 रिमाइंडर बचता है. तो सबसे पहले we will have the LCM over here. So it will go by 2, 3s are 15 will remain 7 same and 2 9s are. Now it will go by 3, 3 1s are 3 5s are 3 3s are. Again by 3 and the last number will be 5. Okay, so let us see what is coming as LCM. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. LCM. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 19. Now listen beta. It is telling that leaving the remainder 5 in each case. Leaving the remainder 5 in each case. तो 5 remainder बच रहा है. तो हम सबसे लास्ट में क्या करेंगे बेटा? 5 को उसमें ऐड कर देंगे. Let us add it here. Remainder is coming 5. So it means we want answer will be 95. Okay, 95 is the number which is divided by 6, 15 and 18 and leaves remainder in 5 in each case. This is question number 8 now. ठीक है, इसको चेक भी कर सकते हैं हम. कैसे चेक करेंगे? See, this is 95. It is telling कि 6 से डिवाइड करो तो भी 5 बचता है. Look at here, चेक करके देख लेते हैं. 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 5 बच गया रिमाइंडर. अब दूसरे नंबर से ट्राई करते हैं. 15 and this is 95. 15 6 are 90, बच गया 5 रिमाइंडर. और 18 से भी करके देख लेते हैं. Now you are knowing, let us try with 18. You are knowing 18 5s are 90 होता है बेटा. तो फिर से 5 रिमाइंडर बच जाएगा. It means our answer is totally correct. Okay. Now let us move on. Question number 9. Question number 9 says beta, find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Again the same process. Again the same process. Let us try this. Again it is telling you have to find out the number which is smallest 4-digit number. बेटा जब आपको कंडीशन दे देता है ना कि स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट, अगर सिर्फ लिखा है स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, सो आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं रहेगी, आप डायरेक्ट एलसीएम निकाल के कर सकते हो. बट अगर बाउंड कर देता है, फॉर एग्जांपल स्मॉलेस्ट 3 डिजिट नंबर, स्मॉलेस्ट 2 डिजिट नंबर, ग्रेटेस्ट 3 डिजिट नंबर, सो वहां पर बेटा हमको फिर एक स्टेप करना पड़ता है जो कि हमने पुराने वाले क्वेश्चन में किया था. ठीक है, लेट अस ट्राई. लुक एट हियर नाउ. सबसे पहले एलसीएम इज कंपल्सरी. एलसीएम तो बेटा करना ही करना है. 18, 24 and 32. There are 3 numbers. Let us try this. 2 9s are 18. It will give you 12 and यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 16. Again it will go by 2. 8s are 6 are and your 9 will remain common. Again by 2, 9 will be here only. 2 3s are and 2 4s are. Now again it will go by 2. It will be common here 2. This is 3. This is 9. Again we'll go by 2 and this will be here only. This will go by 3 now. And the last number will also be 3 over here. Now this is the LCM. Now let us see what is coming in LCM. LCM, when you will solve this one, LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4 and 5. 2 times more 3. So this is 3 and this is 3. Let us solve. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, and 32 multiplied by 9. 32 multiplied by 9, 288. It is giving us 288 as the LCM. ठीक है, अब हमको आ गया बेटा LCM. Now I was telling this कि अगर आपको कंडीशन देके बाउंड करता है, for example it is asking smallest number of 4 digit. तो smallest number of 4 digit क्या होता है बेटा? It is 1000. Smallest number of 4 digit. Is this 1000? Everybody knows. Now 1000 एक नंबर हो गया और वहां पर हमको आ गया 288. तो सबसे पहले तो हम ट्राई करेंगे 288 इसको डिवाइड कर रहा है तो रिमाइंडर बच रहा है कि नहीं बच रहा है. ठीक है, सो 288 3 टाइम्स में इट विल गो बिकॉज़ 2 वाला लेस हो जाएगा. 3 टाइम्स में वी विल टेक इट 4 टाइम्स ज्यादा हो जाएगा. सो 864. Now let us solve it. It will give you here 6. This will give you here 3. This will give you here 1. ठीक है, 136 बच गया. Now 136 is left now. It is again the same process जो कि हमने पहले की थी. So what we will do? सबसे पहले we will 136 हम किससे हटाएंगे? इससे. क्यों हटाएंगे? क्योंकि ये रिमाइंडर बच रहा है बेटा. So 288 minus 136. Now minus 136 करेंगे. What we will get it here? It will give you now 1, 5 and 2. 152 coming. ठीक है? And what was our number? 1000. So our answer will be 1000 plus 152. So the correct answer for our question will be 1152. 1152 will be the answer for question number 9. Okay, this is completed now. Now question number 10 and 11 we will discuss in our next class. Okay, thank you very much everyone. Jai Hind all of you.